Hey guys, so today we are going to study water pollution. So what is water pollution? So label these notes as water pollution, okay? So, what is water pollution? So when we talk about water pollution is the addition of chemicals or substances in water. So if there is anything else in the water, trash, chemicals, anything like that, that is called water pollution. Okay, so renewable and non-renewable, okay? So think about what is renewable and non-renewable. So when water becomes polluted, okay, it becomes a non-usable resource. So when it's polluted, we can't use it for anything. So then when water becomes polluted, the water cycle is not enough to renew and refresh our water resources. So causes of water pollution. So pesticide, synthetic chemicals are natural solutions used to kill insects, rodents, and pests. So just a number of these is fine. So number one. Okay, so number one is pesticide. That is why we are doing a lot of genetic modifications. So farmers don't have to use pesticides anymore or herbicides. So that way we don't have to worry about it getting into our waterways. And now we're more knowledgeable about all that. So that way we know, okay, they have to spray this pesticide now a certain amount of hours or days before it rains. So then number two is a herbicide, okay? And a herbicide is a chemical used to kill plants. This is more so not necessarily plants. Roundup will kill plants and gramoxone will kill plants, but most of the time they're using this as a weed, okay? So trying to kill weeds. Number three is fertilizer. So fertilizer can leak into the water source too. So fertilizer is used to increase the health and growth of plants. So like I said, the way that they're helping with this is you can't put out fertilizer if it's supposed to rain. And as a farmer, you can get in some serious issues if you do all this stuff and someone comes to check you on it. So soil erosion, okay? So soil erosion is your number four. So number four, okay? So soil erosion from runoff. Fossil fuels, okay? Fossil fuels is 5. So fossil fuels such as gasoline, fuel, oil, and nuclear waste. So sometimes we have oil spills, okay? So that gets into the ocean. So that water, even if we needed it, we couldn't use it, okay? Then it harms the wildlife. Okay, so chemicals other than pesticides, so cleaning chemicals, paint, and antifreeze, okay? So all that stuff can leak into the waterways. Number 7 is trash. Okay, so think about it. You throw something out the window. Okay, eventually it's going to make its way into a water source. Okay, it can make its way into a water source. Okay, so that is it for today's lecture. So make sure that you take a picture of your notes and you post them on the Canvas page. And then you will have to do your assignment for Friday. So make sure you have these notes and that you post them. Okay, if you have any questions, send Miss Moss an email.